I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making cheese quesadillas. For this very easy recipe, all we need are tortillas. You can use flour or corn tortillas. We need shredded cheese, and we need oil for cooking. So the first step would be to heat the oil in a non-stick frying pan. So let's put a little oil in a pan. And I will heat it over high heat first. And while the pan is preheating, I will assemble the quesadillas straight in the frying pan. So I will put the tortillas on a frying pan. So this pan will fit 3. And now I will put the shredded cheese on top of each tortilla. And now fold the tortillas in half to close them. So now we'll just wait for the oil to heat. When you hear the sizzling sound, it means that the oil is heated enough and it will start cooking the quesadillas. Now, when you hear the oil sizzling, let's reduce heat to medium-high so the quesadillas don't burn. And now let them cook for a minute and then flip them. Now let's flip the quesadillas. So the time to flip them when they're brown on the bottom. And now let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. Just keep checking on them to make sure they don't burn. And when it's cooked on the bottom, we remove them to the plate. Now the quesadillas are ready. Let's remove them from the frying pan. And turn off the heat. And the quesadillas are ready. Look at these delicious quesadillas. Perfectly brown, so crispy with this gooey melted cheese inside. Look at that. So cheesy. Let me try it. Perfect. I love it. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.